गोंयांत 2 लोकसभा सिटां खातीर सातमेक जाल्ल्या वेंचणुकेच्या मतदानात 75 हुपली। आता सगळ्यांक उमळशीक लागल्या ती मात मतमेजणीची। 4 जूनाक पणजे आनी मडगांव मतमेजणी केंद्रांनी जावपाची आसा। दनपार मेरेन दोनूय सिटांचो निकाल जाहीर करतले, अशी माहिती मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी रमेश वर्मा हांणी दिल्या।
गोंयांत 2 लोकसभा सिटां खातीर 7 मे दिसा जाल्ल्या मतदानाची मतमेजणी 4 जूनाक पणजे आनी मडगांव मतमेजणी केंद्रांनी जावपाची आसा। दोनूय लोकसभा सिटांचो निकाल दनपारां 12 म्हळ्यार येवपाची अपेक्षा आसा। आमचो प्रयत्न दोनूय निकाल जाता तितले बेगीन जाहीर करपाचो आसतलो, अशें मुख्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी रमेश वर्मा हांणी गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना सांगलें।
In center we have different counting halls, and in every counting hall the number of tables are from 7 to 14. In some counting hall we have 7, somewhere 8, 9. So maybe in some counting halls we need more number of rounds, whereas in some other we need less number of rounds. But overall we are hopeful of getting results by the afternoon. So around lunchtime now we will be able to say clearly about the results. So this is general trend in Goa, and as you know from the past history also, up to 12 or after 12 means up to 1 or 1:30 we will be able to announce the results in both the districts.
मतमेजणी बरे भशेन पुराय करपाक आमची सगळी तयारी जाल्या। आता फक्त भारतीय वेंचणूक आयोगाकडल्यान काय अप्रुव्हल येवपाची आसा, जी 1-2 दिसांनी येतली, अशें रमेश वर्मा हांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
Ready, and I would already discuss with both the DOs, because the counting is the major responsibility of both the DOs. We have to supervise all the exercise there. I personally visited the one counting center up north, and in a day or two I'm going to south also. We are fully ready with all our security arrangements, 3-layer security, CCTV arrangements are there. Our counting teams are ready, micro observers are in place, the teams are fully trained by both the DOs, and we have received our approvals. Further we are sending again some proposals to ECI to get approval, and we are hopeful of getting all our approvals in a day or two. So by this I can say that okay, we are fully ready, and we have tried our best to get results on the day of counting as early as possible, because definitely people will eager to know about their future representatives for both the districts. So this is our responsibility also to give better results with better preparation. So this is our responsibility, and our teams are ready to do this work on 4th.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नाईक।